Russia has begun large-scale production of its new Typhoon PVO air defense vehicle, following the successful completion of state qualification tests. The announcement came from Fanil Zayatdinov, the head of the Izhevsk electromechanical plant, Kupol, which developed the system under the Almaz-Antey Air and Space Defense concern. The Typhoon PVO is a specialized platform designed to shield mobile manpads, man-portable air defense system, units while providing them with increased protection and maneuverability on the battlefield. Armed with 9 shoulder-launched missiles, such as Igla-S, and the latest Verba, it can neutralize enemy helicopters, low-flying cruise missiles, and unmanned aerial vehicles. The vehicle was independently financed by Kupol and has now been officially accepted for service with the Russian armed forces. Built on the KAMAZ 4386 4x4 armored chassis from the Typhoon VDV family, the Typhoon PVO accommodates 5 crew members and stores 9 portable missiles, 3 radar interrogators, and a machine gun ammunition load. Its design replaces outdated truck or IFV-based systems that were not optimized for air defense missions. The vehicle has already appeared at international competitions and Russian military exhibitions, demonstrating its mobility and ability to tackle challenging terrain. A key feature of the Typhoon PVO is its integration with the Verba missile system, which has steadily replaced earlier generation Igla models since 2014. The Verba missile uses a triple-band infrared seeker that enhances its ability to track low-visibility aerial targets while filtering out decoy flares. Its sensitivity is significantly higher than that of the Igla-S, allowing faster lock-on and a wider engagement zone. For self-defense, the vehicle mounts a Cord 12.7 mm heavy machine gun on a rotating turret capable of firing on the move, particularly against small drones that may not warrant a missile strike. The armored hull offers protection against 14.5 mm armor-piercing rounds and mines equivalent to 8 kg of TNT. Crew members can operate the weapon system and launchers from inside the sealed, NBC-protected compartment, with roof hatches providing rapid access to firing positions. Powered by a 350 horsepower KAMAZ diesel engine, the Typhoon PVO reaches speeds of up to 100 km per hour and covers distances over 1,200 km. The vehicle's hydropneumatic suspension allows it to navigate rough terrain, ford streams up to 1.75 meters deep, and handle steep gradients. Though it lacks the airborne deployment capability of its Typhoon VDV predecessor, it prioritizes enhanced armor and mission-specific adaptability. The system is designed to operate within Russia's broader air defense network, complementing more advanced platforms like the Tor M2. It can receive targeting information from external radar sources or act as a command post for nearby air defense units. Beyond frontline use, the Typhoon PVO is expected to protect critical infrastructure, including refineries, rail hubs, and bridges, from drone and low-altitude missile attacks. Foreign interest in the Typhoon PVO is growing, particularly among African nations facing low-intensity conflicts with significant drone threats. Almaz-Antey officials confirm ongoing discussions with potential clients in Africa, the Commonwealth of Independent States, and Asia-Pacific regions. Many militaries in these areas still rely on outdated Soviet-era defenses and are seeking cost-effective, modular solutions for counter-UAV and localized air protection operations. With its entry into mass production, the Typhoon PVO is set to fill a niche between man-portable systems and larger, more expensive air defense complexes, offering a modern, mobile solution for short-range aerial threats on the modern battlefield.